Here's a quick little video on changing the oil in a Honda S2000. You're going to need a 17mm socket and ratchet, a torque wrench, a new oil filter and drain plug gasket, 5 quarts of your favorite 10W30 oil, a drain pan, and a funnel. First, crack the oil fill cap here, let it drain a little bit easier. Next, locate the oil drain plug on the passenger side of the car. This is a 17mm bolt. It's going to shoot sideways, so you kind of got to put the pan a little bit in front of it. For the oil filter, I find that the best solution is to not tighten it over hand tight, and that way you can get it back off with your hand pretty easily. While you're waiting for the filter and the drain plug to drain, make sure you account for your washer so it doesn't get stuck on there and cause leaks. Once the filter's done draining, try to get it out of there. Clean up the filter housing surface so there's no old gasket or junk on it, so the new oil filter will seat. Part number for the oil filter. A little bit of new oil on the gasket. I like to fill the oil filter with a little bit of new oil. With this particular car, you can't put it all the way up to the top because of the way the oil filter is tilted. You just spill it out when you're trying to screw it on there. But I still like to put a little bit of oil in there, just to reduce the shock with the low oil pressure when it starts up for the first time. And installation of the new oil filter is the same as the removal of the old one, but in reverse. Again, only hand tight is my recommendation. My new gasket came with the filter. Get that out. Get it ready to install on the plug. Pretty sure the correct way is that the flat side goes against the bolt here, the shoulder on the bolt, because it's flat, and the slightly rounded edge will seat up against the oil pan. And this gets torqued to 30 foot-pounds. Fill with 5 quarts of your favorite oil, and then check for leaks and level. Make sure you hold the funnel as you're pouring it, or else it runs the risk of slipping off and spilling oil all over the exhaust manifold. Ask me how I know.